This question will ask to find how many integer values of k is the square root of 200 minus the square root of k, also an integer. It should be noted that this value here is only an integer when the contents of the square root, 200 minus the square root of k, is a square number. Here is a list of all the squares which are smaller than 200. And if you were to count them all up, you'd see that there are 15 numbers. Any of these numbers inside a square root would give us an integer. For example, the square root of 169 is equal to 13. Therefore, the question is, can we find a value for k to get us to each of these square numbers? The answer is obviously yes. For example, for 0, we know that 200 minus 200 is equal to 0. But for our example in finding a value of k, 200 subtracted by the square root of 200 squared would give us 200 subtract 200, which is equal to 0. The same concept can be applied for any other number. We can also see for 196, 200 subtract 4 would give us 196. Therefore, 200 subtracted by 4 squared would give us 196. This is a square number which we can find the square root to find another integer. Therefore, the answer to this question would be 15. This is seen here.